5 to the second power, which is just 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. But the 2 isn't here, it's here. What will we do in this situation? This is tetration, where the exponent, the top number decides how many times the base is put to the power of itself. So we would take two 5s, 1, 2, because of this 2 and this 5, and we would put them in an exponent format. So we would take the first 5 and we make it the base, and we take the second 5 and we make it the power. And let's just say if this was a 3, then we would just put another 5 on top, and then we put another 5 for 4, and so on and so forth. So if we were solving this problem, it would be 5 to the 5th power, which is equal to 3,125, which is just 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 25, 125, 625, 3,125, which is how we got here. Now, let's have another example. Let's say we had 6 tetrated to 3. So this decides how many times that the base is put to the power of itself. So what would this look like? It would be 6, the first number, then put to the power of 6, which is the second number, and then put to another power of 6, which is the third number. So what would this be? Well, I can't do this off the top of my head. So 6 to the power of 6 is 46,656. So we will put, then we will have 6 to the power of 46,656. Which I'm going to keep this here because I'm not sure what number would be the birth of this equation. So, one more example. Four tetrated to 2. Well, this number decides how many times that the base is put to the power of itself. So this would look like 4 is the base, which is the first number, and then we put that to the power of 4, which is the second number. 4 to the power of 4 is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is 1664, 256. Now, I am open to video suggestions and criticism, so please engage with this video if you'd like to communicate any of that with me.